Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add or change your avatar on Duolingo. First of all, launch open Duolingo application on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page of Duolingo, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Now click on the profile button. And inside the profile section, tap the plus button above your avatar at the top. If you haven't created an avatar yet, you can go ahead and do it. First of all, go ahead and select your skin tone, select your body, choose your eye color, select your expression, select your hair color, choose your hair type, choose whether you'd like your avatar to wear glasses, if you need to get them a face detail, earring, nose rings, etc. from this glasses option. You can also go ahead and add some facial hair, adjust the facial hair color, and so on. Customize your character's clothing, their background, and so on. And finally, click Done at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you've created yourself an avatar. You can edit your avatar whenever you want by coming to this area. So there you have it. That is how you add or change your avatar on Duolingo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.